Whether you are looking to spend your next Christmas in a country of breathtaking landscape, beautiful castles, and vibrant cities, then there's an opportunity for you. In this video, I'll guide you through how to find job opportunities in Romania. And if this sounds interesting to you, sit back, relax, and make sure you pay close attention to this video, else you might struggle when you try to apply all by yourself. First of all, let me give you a good background of what is happening in Romania. Now, since Romania became a full member of the Schengen region in January 1st, 2025, they have since experienced what we call a high demand for foreign workers, and this has left the government with no choice than to fill this shortage. And for those who do not know where Romania is located, she is located in Europe and shares a border with Serbia, Ukraine, Bulgaria, Hungary, and the Black Sea to the southeast. Romania has its capital known as Bucharest, and currency used here is Romanian leu. And as a resident in Romania, you can access over 26 countries visa-free as long as they are in the Schengen region. And as a Romanian passport holder, you can access over 178 countries. That is why I often refer to it as a springboard to relocate abroad. And guess what? The cost of living is very affordable, and transportation, food, housing are also pocket-friendly. One good thing about Romania is that you can move with your family provided you have enough funds to prove your capacity. So friends, before we continue, if you know you've not given this video a thumbs up, kindly do so that YouTube can recommend it to other people, and it also encourages me to do more videos because a lot of energy, time, resources has been put into making this video. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop a new video such as this. Now guys, if you have done that, thanks. So to get a job with visa sponsorship, you will need a striking CV, or what I call a winning CV, and a cover letter, and apply for at least 30 to 40 jobs daily. And within 3 months, you'll be seeing results. Please ensure you tailor your CV to suit each job description so that you'll not be getting messages like, unfortunately, we have moved on to the next stage. Please guys, don't also forget to apply for jobs that you are only qualified for. So as you can tell, the most important part is getting a job that will come with a visa sponsorship. So if that is the case, come with me. Let me show you how to find jobs in Romania that comes with visa sponsorship. Come with me, guys. Okay? So guys, first thing first, what you can see is bestjobs.eu. When you come to this site, you see the search bar, you see jobs, you see salary, hire, BR. Then we also have this, which is English or the language that you want. When you come here, this is where if you click it, let me show you something. This is where you speak to the AI, and AI will tell you what you want or answer your queries. Okay, now to find job, you can search for jobs. You can just type anything like a driver. You see it, you search it, driver's job will come. Then you can go back and just engineer. You see part-time, from home, marketing. If you want to apply from abroad, let's assume you live in Romania, you want to apply for job abroad, you click on abroad to get jobs. So now, these are driver's jobs: CPC driver for international routes, personal assistant driver, bus driver in the Netherlands, transport dispatcher, sales truck driver. You know, these are jobs that you can, apply for as a driver. So let's assume you are a truck driver. You click on this. You read the job description. It says, Christian Vast Logistics looking for professional C&E driver to join our team in a round trip role. If you are passionate about driving commercial vehicles safely and want to be part of the company, then emphasize Christian values. This position might be right for you. So these are the requirements. You see, valid driving license, category C and E, previous experience driving heavy commercial vehicles, positive attitude, responsibility and good communication skills, flexibility in terms of working hours. So guys, this is the things that they need. So if you know you have this criteria, you meet this criteria, then what you need to do is just to come here and click on apply button. So you upload your CV. Like I said, you need a outstanding CV to apply for this job. So you click it and you just select your CV from your computer. So I'm not applying for this job, so there's no need for me to select that. Okay, so now that is how you apply for this job. Now the next one you would like to also see is how to use this site. If you come here, you see filter. You can filter by ordering, location, areas, experience, preferred job type, and probably your language. Let's assume you are looking for English speaking jobs. You click on language and look for English, or you type it English. So you set it on English and click on apply filters. Okay, so when you apply filter, you go back. Every job that you are seeing here is English, it's in English. You can also remember select it by salary. This is where you see your talent, the jobs you have applied, add a job if you are an employer, then services. So this is where you are supposed to apply for. So these are the jobs, as you can see. Are you seeing it, guys? Are you seeing it? So any job you are looking for, logistic coordinator, just look for a forklift driver, warehouse operator, warehouse work Germany, construction, specialist marketing, factory manager. You see the list is endless. Just look for the one you need and apply. I hope that makes sense, guys. Please, you can also use this to get the categories you want: accounting, if it's engineering job, if it's transport and career service, IT, telecommunication, medicine, health and physiotherapy, call center, customer care. Those of you that are looking for customer support job, you click on anyone and apply. You can also look at them here. Let's assume you are looking for MIG and MAG wig welder. Just click on it. As you can see, this is the amount. It's 2 positions they are looking for. Then when you come here, these are the benefits. So what you need is just for you to read the responsibility. It's very simple. It says interpretation of technical drawings to prepare and execute welds according to specification, correct setting of welding equipment and working parameters, ensuring the quality of welds and complying with safety standards, collaboration with the production team to meet the set objective. So if you meet those criteria, you are satisfied, you just click on apply, then you upload your CV by clicking upload. It will take you to your computer where you pick your CV and just upload. It's simple. So I think that will help. If we go to the next site, which is eJobs, when you come to ejobs.ro, you will see jobs, career, play, salaries, company offer. So currently we have 20,402 jobs. You can use this search bar to just search whatever you want. Let's assume you're looking for chef. So as a chef, you just see you have 272 jobs. Head of party, head of chef, pastry chef, experienced chef. So if you are interested in maybe this one, you can just click on it and just see if you meet the criteria. It says the ideal candidate. We are looking for serious professional person passionate about cooking with at least 5 years, experience in event, who has the ability to plan, coordinate, and organize in his team spirit, teamwork, ability to adapt and communicate. So this is what you'll be earning, and it's full time. So what you need to do is to apply. To apply, you click on the apply button and just apply. Guys, is it not wonderful? But ensure you create an account on this site. It's very important, because if you don't create an account, you cannot monitor your progress, you cannot see alerts, so it's better you just create an account. So as a candidate, you are supposed to log in, but since you don't have anyone, what will you do? It's very simple. You can use this create an account on eJobs. Click it and you see it says candidate account. I want to get a job. You click on it. You put your name, email, password, date of birth, city of residence. Then you click this checkbox, then you create an account. Okay, so that is that for that site. So guys, this is hipo.ro. When you come to this site, you see they have the search bar. That's the job or company name. You have the domain. You can use the domain to search. As you can see, procurement, logistics, supply, administration, political science, agriculture, architecture, design, banks, chemistry, construction, education. So just look for the one you fit in. So let's assume we're looking for jobs in let's say engineering. So you click on find, put it on all cities because you want a wide range of results. Okay, so I click find. When I click find, you will see jobs which come out. Are you seeing, guys? The most desired employers in last 2025 apply. So all these are jobs: electrician, unqualified operator, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, paid technical internship. So mechanic. Are you seeing, guys? So just look for the ones that you want. Project manager, installation engineer, electrical engineer, chemical chemical laboratory. So when you are done, just pick on the one. Let's assume I'm electrical. I just click on electrician. So when you reach here, you say apply to this job, apply with LinkedIn. Please, if you know you don't have a profile on LinkedIn, go and create one because most jobs are advertised on LinkedIn as well. Okay. So now when you read the responsibilities, if you feel that you meet the requirement, what you need to do is just to apply. Are you seeing it, guys? If you can see, it says attractive benefit, a basic salary to which will be added bonuses, meal voucher, they will be providing you meal voucher, holiday voucher, they will give you something like a ticket for holiday, transport will be provided, bonus for outstanding result, private medical services for the employee and 3 dependent. Are you seeing it? Which means you can actually have benefit from this company with your family. 7 card subscription for sport activities. So what you need to do is just to click on apply, but make sure you create an account on this site. Remember, you need to create an account. So you click on create a new account. Then you fill the details just for you to create an account. This will also enable you to get alert whenever there is a new job on this site. So guys, that is how you apply for that job. When you come here, you see we have employers active on hipo.ro. This, click it. I want to show you something very important. Now you see auto, energy, oil, IT&C, telecommunication, retail, agriculture. So any of these group or sectors that your discipline falls in, click it and you will see many companies that will hire you. Look at it. Click on construction. Now you see these are companies, construction companies. So you look for the one that you feel you want to try. So if I were you, you try every one of them because there's no harm in trying. So you see, we have a lot of them: Aptisa Romania jobs, Autism Romania group jobs, IT Romania jobs, Con jobs, Master Build jobs, Seeker jobs. So whichever one you feel you are capable or your mind, you can just apply. So let's take this trackback jobs, for instance. When you come, this is this company, they will give you an overview of what the company stands for. Then they will not give you jobs that are available in each of this company. So look at this one now. This is hybrid, this is hybrid. You don't need hybrid job. You don't need hybrid job. You need a job that will, take you. See all jobs. Let's see all jobs. So just look for jobs that are not hybrid. Are you getting it? So I'll go for this one, bicycle relocator. No, I'm looking for jobs, not bicycle. So take your time. We're hiring environmental and waste management officer, senior internal auditor, internship finance. So what you need is just click the one you want. Are you getting it? So if it's this, you click on it, chef for the pines. So you look at brief description of the company. Are you seeing it, guys? These are the responsibilities. Apply for this ad, you apply. But make sure you have an account on this site. Remember, these are also similar jobs: receptionist, guest, confectionaries assistant, and the rest of it. That is how you get to know all these employers. So let's assume you want to you are tired of using those employers. You want something more interesting, like recruiters. So what you need to do is to go back. You see, these are the categories where we choose. You can see this is recruitment agencies. So if you don't want any of these, you want to go through recruitment agencies, you can click on recruitment agencies and you will find the recruitment agencies. So these are all the recruitment agencies in Romania. So you can click on any of the recruiters and just apply. Are you seeing it? This is Anta International Jobs, Brains Consulting Jobs, Kadima UC Jobs, DCV Technologies. All these are the recruiting agencies in Romania. So this site is very useful for you to come to this place. Remember, you click on app employers active on Hipo. When you come there, you click on recruitment agencies. If you are not interested in going through all the sectors, just look for the recruitment agencies. You click it and this will take you to the recruiters. You see there are over 50 recruiters who will take you to Romania. Are you getting it? I will stop here. If you know you've not given this video a thumbs up, kindly do so, and don't forget to share to your loved ones, family and friends. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.